lucky to introduce this uplifting waiata Ngāi Wē, composed by Dr. Hirini in Melbourne of Ngāi Tūhoi and Ngāti Kahungunu. Dr. Hirini in Melbourne was a university lecturer, secondary school teacher, writer, composer, and a significant leader in the revival of Māori culture through his waiata and expertise in taonga pūoro. Nō reira, e te rangatira tēnei te mihi ka wanuanu ki a koe mō tēnei taonga te waiata ko Ngāi Wē hei māpihi maurea ki o tātou tāringa, ki o tātou wairua hoki. Ngāi Wē was composed in 1984 for the Festival of Pacific Arts, planned to be held in New Caledonia. However, the festival was actually cancelled, but the song Ngāi Wē, written by Hirini for the New Zealand contingent, is still enjoyed today. It is a waiata that is often used to bring people together as one, and has often been used in times of protest. Waiata, songs and music are powerful tools to express ourselves and what we believe in. The lyrics for Ngāi Wē calls for unity amongst the people of the Pacific. I'll quickly go over the pronunciation or mita o te reo. For the chorus, you could use it as a way to get students' attention. Instead of the famous clapping rhythm or asking students to stop, look and listen, you could try using the chorus. Nice simple way to introduce a song into your classroom. You could also explain that when they say whakarongo tells me that you're listening, and tautoko tells me that you're supporting everyone's learning by stopping. I'll now go through the verses. Verse 1. Ngāi Wē, kia kotahi rā te moana nui a kiwa. Ngāi Wē, kia kotahi rā te moana nui a kiwa. Just mainly remember that the ngā is quite a tricky ng sound. You use the roof of your mouth and bring your tongue up to it to say that ngā iwi, and the rā, the r's are pronounced like a roll of your tongue, or it's almost like a la. So if you try and roll your tongue when you're pronouncing the r's, that'd be awesome. Verse 2. Wahine mā, maranga mai kia kaha. Wahine mā, maranga mai kia kaha. Verse 3. E tama mā, tamatu, tama ora. E tama mā, tamatu, tama ora. Verse 4. Kia maurā, ki te mana mo te hake me te aroha. Kia maurā, ki te mana mo te hake me te aroha. And Ngāi Wē is a wonderful 2-chord song using D minor and C6 or an open string. The strum is up, down, up, 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 down, up. And stickers on the ukulele are great to use so children can easily recognise where to put their fingers. Making fingers or marking fingers with coloured Sharpies or felts also helps so that they can match the colours to the dots. I find it particularly useful with younger children as well. For D minor, I actually get the younger children to use the 2 yellow fingers, and the 3rd finger for the green. I find that they find it quite hard, some of them, to put 2 strings on the 1 finger. just to get extra independent practice in your classroom. I also like to try and add ukulele into my reading table. You could print off the waiata on its own, or I usually just have enough copies of our Kiwilele book and the ukuleles, enough ukuleles for one group for them to take away and practice. They usually love doing this. And it's even better if you have a space outside or in the cloak bay that they can go to, so that when you're reading with everyone else, you don't have the ukulele in the background. Now, you can have a go at playing along to the lyric movie. These lyric movies are also available on the New Zealand Ukulele Trust website. When your school registers for the program, you'll receive a login and password. Nō reira, kia rere te ukurere, a nei te waiata, nai ui e.